keyword optimization. You need to make use of the keyword around which you're writing the article in prominent places of your content. With this, you boost the probability of ranking for that keyword. Okay, so you have researched the main keyword that you want to target in your article. Okay, for example, let me consider Elementor. Okay, so let me consider Elementor review. So this is the keyword that I want to rank this article for. Okay, that means whenever people enter in Elementor review, they need to come to my blog post and hopefully buy Elementor through my affiliate links, right? So this is the main keyword for which I am willing to rank this article. I need to make use of this specific keyword in various places in my article. Okay, so let me explain you one by one. So you need to make use of the main keyword in these places. You need to use the main keyword early in the title of the blog post to signify relevance both to users and search engines, and also in the permalink of the blog post and first 2 paragraphs of meta description, and in at least one subheading of the content, and whenever possible in the blog content. Okay, so this is about keyword optimization. So let me show you what are all the places where I have used the keyword that is Elementor review here. So as you can see here, I have made use of this specific keyword that is Elementor review early in my blog post title. Okay, so I have also made use of the keyword in the introduction section, that is the related keyword, right? So review on Elementor and also Elementor review, both are the same. And I have also made use of this keyword in heading. Okay, when you make use of your keyword in heading, it carries more weightage. That's why I have here, you need to make use of the keyword in at least one subheading of the content to signal relevance to Google. Okay, and when I scroll down, have surely made use of this keyword in the body and also in the conclusion. Okay, so you can see, if you have any doubts about my review on Elementor, this is again like same to that of using the word Elementor review, right? So this is a related keyword, not a related keyword, but another way of putting Elementor review on Elementor, right? So this also carries the same weightage. So yeah, these are all the places that you need to include your keywords. And also I have included the keyword in URL, okay, in the permalink. So let me go to the WordPress backend. Alright, so now I have logged in. Let me refresh this page once so that I will get the admin bar here. Alright, so let me edit this post. So here you have the blog post. Okay, you can see in the permalink I have made use of the main keyword that is Elementor review, and I have this in the early in the title, and also Elementor review in the heading. Like you have h2 tag that have used the keyword in. Right, so like this, while composing your blog post, you need to make use of this main keyword in various prominent places.